Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, we're going to argue against the motion. What I am debating require political candidates to pass a political competency test in order to run for office. Why this idea isn't a good fit? The first is democracy is about change for everyone. Real democracy lets any citizen run, no test needed. Putting up a test is like saying only certain people ain't allowed in. That's just out fresh voice and new ideas. Think of it this way, requiring a test goes against the idea of open opportunity. The second is tests can be unfair or biased. Who gets to decide what's on the test, what's important knowledge? Imagine the people writing the test toward their own political words decide it so only those they like pass. Even the skeptical voices online warm when introduced a test. The question of who is writing and their bias is unavoidable. The third is I'll takes power away from voters. Voters are supposed to choose based on ideas, experience, and character, not a test score. If candidates fail a test, voters lose the chance they decide for themselves. That a picture test makers get more power the public. Biggest problem within the status quo is the problem of political nihilism. When power and decision making are monopolized, people receive politicians and institutions as deeply intertwined like a single self-serving system. Over time, this dissolves trust, and skepticism about all political actors turns into blanket rejection of the system itself. We can sort out politicians who don't know how to run a society. Potentially, discrimination and unconstitutional critics like Bernie Sanders have called this proposal unacceptable form of a games. They argue that Constitution already established age and citizenship recruitment, and adding additional tests could be considered unconstitutional. A risk of political abuse tests could be used to discredit political opponents of certain groups. History shows that such tests have been used to support minority groups, such as the literacy. If you feel political institutions aren't worth fixing, why and competency tests? These tests only enhance a system that nihilists believe is flawed from the start. Tests don't change system; they only change the players on stage. Who's conducting the test? What are the questions? Who assessing it? This is prone to being used to prevent certain people from entering politics. Ultimately, it's not a question competence, but rather who can take the test. Some political nihilists simply don't care about social change. They view the system as hopeless. From this perspective, any tests are futile. In reality, political change should come from critical thinking or social action, not more superficial tests. There are rarely any practical implication of competency tests from a political nihilist perspective. If the system is damn problematic from the outset, implementing such tests simply manipulates the system without addressing the root cause. In conclusion, overall, political competency tests can undermine democratic principles, are easily abused, are invalid in measuring overall competency, and create pure accuracy. Ultimately, this takes the role public choose. Rather than strengthen it, it would be better to strengthen direct democracy mechanisms, political educator and candidate transparency and accountability throughout exciting process. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.